Hey guys, so today we're bringing you a video about something we get a lot of questions on, and that is the Rough Country upper control arms, the forged upper control arms that they have just come out with. So these are available obviously through Rough Country for their 3.5 and 7 to 7.5 inch kits for the 07 to 18 Silverado 1500s. Now, the main question we always get asked is, will this fit my 14? Will this fit my 2010? Will this fit my 2012? The simple answer is yes. So you'll see that there's different options for ball joints. So that is the main differentiating factor among those trucks. So your 07 to 13 is gonna have mainly cast steel upper control arms with that style ball joint. Maybe it'll have an aluminum control arm with that style ball joint. Now, spoiler, this will help you out a little bit. If you've got a newer truck with the stamped steel control arms, same ball joint as the aluminum, select aluminum arms, you're good to go there. Now this will not work with every single kit. You'll see that because the ball joint is so cocked in there, it is designed for their 7, 7.5 inch, or 3.5 inch kits, basically the ones that just push everything together. You try throwing this on your 5-inch kit, your control arm is gonna sit like this, your ball joint is gonna sit like that, you're not gonna be able to align it properly. So we are going to throw it on this truck here that you've seen us do the Vertex coilovers on. We're going to add these in, we're going to get some real world testing done on them and let you know what we think. All right, so as you can see, we got the new upper control arms in and this ball joint angle, and you can see why they make this upper control arm. We went from a 60-degree angle to damn near flat here. So this isn't going to improve ride quality, this is going to improve part longevity. So you're not going to have rattling up here in the upper control arm, you're not going to have loose components, you're not going to have tire wear as a result of. So this forged upper control arm, everything's stronger, it's got a better ball joint angle for these kits. A lot of people ask if they can put these on other kits. Yeah, you can, but every kit is designed differently. Some of them have taller knuckles to achieve height for use of the factory upper control arms, some don't. So if you put this on this control arm, which is clocked so far, on a kit with a bigger lift knuckle, you're gonna have some angle issues, you're gonna have alignment issues. So try sticking the Rough Country control arms with the Rough Country kits. But this is what it's like. Again, it's not gonna improve ride quality, but it's going to improve every component on the truck. So we're gonna get the wheels back on this thing, get it on the ground so you can go beat it.